Hello friends, I am architect Rahul.
Hi, I am architect Tanvi Nayyar and we both are from Architect and Associates and our firm is located in Dehradun, Uttarakhand. We are working from quite a few years.
The project is a vacation house for a client in Delhi, and the client, as being from Delhi, he has seen lot of hustle bustles in his life, and he wanted to make a house Dehradun just he wanted that he should come in summers and he wants some peace. So while deciding the plot, we saw a lot of plots, and then we decided a plot that was near to the city and in the surroundings of a forest. So the benefit of this plot was that we had all the spaces open near the plot, as well as we had a jungle on the right side of the plot. So through this, the basic thing that we achieved was they wanted peace whenever they will come to Dehradun. Now we will be talking about the site. The plot that they had was, the front was 32, sides were 60 feet both the sides, rear was also 32, and we had a 25 feet of road at the front. Now the first thing when we reached the site, we saw was the right side was full of jungle, and we had a plot in between which we got to know that there will be no construction in the coming future, and we had very big trees over the sides of our plot. These trees were so big that they used to cover our plot also, and we had south facing plot, north was at the back, we had east on this side and west on this side. The Mussoorie view was northwest, and we had lot of trees at this side. So the first thing that stuck to the client mind that they wanted a 3-story building so that they can see the Mussoorie from their terrace. And the requirements, functional requirements was they wanted a 3-bedroom house with a drawing, dining, living, open kitchen, and a very good puja room with some powder toilets, and they wanted a conventional hill house. They didn't wanted a contemporary house. So after listening to the requirements, the first concept that we made was, we told them why to go for 3-story when it's not requirement. What we can do is we can make a double story with the look of triple house. So what we did was we divided the total building into 3 parts. The first part was a 1.5 floor building. The second part, the central part, was a 3-story portion, and the third part was a double story building. The rear part we had bedrooms. The front part we had the drawing room and the veranda. And top of the half portion of the drawing room we had a bedroom with a tapered roof. And the top floor of the building we had a triple story circulation space that included their bath, their puja room, their circulation spaces. That the ground floor terrace was available to us over here. So we had a terrace that was overlooking their lawn at the front, and the rear portion of the bedrooms, the second floor, we had full view of Mussoorie. And to gain a triplet house, we increased the height of this portion, and we made a central attic for them. And central attic was made like a green terrace. And what we did is, we at the top portion of this floor we made full width windows that were at this side as well as at the opposite side, through which we gained lot of air inside the total this rotunda, through which we were able to get air in the drawing room, in the bedrooms, and all the areas were totally airy.
Now, talking about the interiors, as we have already discussed the beauty of the site, that it is very near to nature. So, first thing which we have kept in mind while designing the interiors was that the interiors should be very near to nature. The materials which we have used are very natural, like natural wood, exposed brick, and stone masonry, jute rope, grass inside the house, so as to give look and feel of the nature. We haven't used any vibrant colors in the interiors. We have used more of whites and more of warm colors. Now, talking about the drawing room, the walls and the ceiling of the drawing room has been kept in the light and dark shades of wood. The flooring of the drawing room has been kept in the dark natural wood. The very special element of the drawing room is our working fireplace, which has been wrapped up with the natural stone masonry. Then the furniture of the drawing room has been made in pure teak wood. Now, coming to the lobby area, we have given a puja room in the lobby area, which has been given in the tones of white, which symbolizes peace. The entrance of the puja room has been given in the front facade is has been given in the jali pattern, which has pure teak pillars. Now then, coming to the bedroom area, ground floor, we have given a feature wall of exposed brickwork, and we have incorporated the back of the bed in it, and have given a cove light, which is focusing, enhancing the look of the brick. The other walls are kept in the tones of off-white. The ceiling has been kept in a clean look. The flooring has been done in the shades of natural teak wood, and the TV cabinet has been made in pure pine wood. In the staircase, we have given the warm white lights, footlights, which creates a very welcoming look, inviting look in the evenings. And we have used a jute rope along the railing, which gives a connected feel to the nature. Now, coming to the first floor bedrooms, we have given wooden taper roof and have placed pure teak queen poster bed, which creates a very vintage look, and a bay window in the room, in which we have edge to edge glass window. We can open the window and listen to the chirping of the birds. Now, coming to the rear bedroom on the first floor, we have a masterpiece bed, which is flowing from floor to wall to the ceiling, which gives a very inverted look in the bedroom. Now, coming to the lobby area, in which we have created an attic. We have given a pine wood staircase leading towards the attic on the first floor. The attic is designed in such a way it creates a green garden inside the house. And we have given an edge to edge window in the attic, which gives the view of the forest.